Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. So, yesterday, when I was at Walgreens, tap dancing in the aisle, the paper aisle, because it was paper day, and I put in an order, went and got it, and had my prices right moment. As I was moonwalking towards that photo aisle, I noticed a whole flutter of weird tags in that candy aisle that they have. And there's a lot on clearance up to 75% off. Before we dive into it, go to your Walgreens app, Tootswit, load these boosters. They are for next week. As you see, the top left hand corner, it says available in 4 days. It is not available right now. Starting on Sunday, the 24th, it should be activated. But load them so you have them for Sunday, the 24th. So, for all the new shoppers out there, it's either Tuesday or Saturday. For large sections, they put those orange stickers on. It's usually one of those 2 days. If you see something in this video and it's not tagged at your store, perhaps they didn't tag it yet. So you would grab the item and ask for a price check, or alternatively go back on Saturday and see what they might have. So we're just going to jog through everything. The first is the Mr. Beast Feastables for 82 cents. Original price $3.29. Even at Walmart, these candy bars are quite a bit. I'm still waiting for the dark chocolate one to drop to this price because I've always wanted to try it. I'm always watching sugar, but it just seems like it's a really good line of candy. And I think because it's not like a Hershey's or a Reese's, people tend to reach for the other ones, and that's probably why a lot of it's on clearance, or maybe just not a popular one. We also have these King bars, which are massive. When you do go buy this stuff, I'm going to recommend that you hang on to your receipt in case there might be an IBOTTA rebate. As it's Memorial Day weekend soon, sometimes food gets cleared out really cheap. We have this the big cup, and this one's 82 cents, and it is chocolate lava. I would have been all over that about 5 years ago. I would have bought the whole box. And there are no digital coupons attaching to these items as well. I double, triple checked. This is one that I just was laughing so hard. Original price, $6.49 for 2 Lindor truffles in this itty bitty bag, now 62 cents. So for 31 cents per truffle, do you think that's worth it? I'm thinking no. I'm going to wait for 90%. We have this roll of bubble gum for 75 cents. If you need stuff for like a party, or if you were going to have treat bags or something like that, this would be ideal to grab everything. I wish they would have done this right around Easter because I think a lot of parents would have really benefited. But of course they have to stage it right after Easter, but with the cost of food and stuff, this is cheaper than Dollar Tree. So many parents could have really, it would have really been awesome. We have the Skittles Littles. This Littles line, I think, just did not land. If there might be an Ibotta or a fetch rebate, hang on to that receipt. You have a week post to apply for all that stuff. Mamba. Always check expiry dates too, guys, just in case something is really expired. Of course, with these squishy candies, you can always touch the packaging. If it's hard as a rock, it stays at the store. You don't want to break a tooth on this. And just a lot of these stuff my 5-year-old nephew would absolutely love. I wish that for around Easter time, all this stuff had cleared. $2.79. Ooh, that's a bit, but for 70 cents, why not? Also, those theater size boxes of different goodies. This is called cookie dough for 50 cents. They had another couple of nerds, and all of those were cleared. I'm suspecting somebody in the store probably wanted them, or they got cleared because it's very popular, any of those nerd candies. And here it is. It's called the Nerd Big Chewy Theater. Was $1.99, now 50 cents. So you can see that's 75% off. I also found the counterpart, which was a bag of this, also on clearance. The original price for that bag was just under $7, and now it's $1.79. I know a lot of you guys possibly could buy this stuff if you work in an office, you want to have a big candy bowl Friday, you'd probably be the most popular person in the office, or your kids' school if they partake in certain treats. I know Teachers Day was last week, so unless you want a late Teachers Day gift, I don't know. But a lot of this stuff, really reasonable prices, $1.19 for this big bag of Skittles Littles. I think it rhymes too much. It's probably why it didn't do very well. But look down the candy aisle for the chocolates, for these gummy consistency candies. Just a lot of it's really reasonably priced. So I would definitely be on the lookout, especially if this is your favorite in your family. 9 of these Airhead sour bars, like for 75 cents. That is a really killer price point. And then the JC Penney brand, ending it with this, we have the gummy apples and spearmint leaves for 50 cents a bag, which is not bad. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.